Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Timex sports watch. This is going to be the 1440 and this is the men's model. This tutorial will also work for the ladies model, as you can see they feature 4 buttons, 2 on each side. So the first thing that you want to do is to arrive in your home screen where you have the time and the date displayed. So if you press the mode button, you will toggle between the alarm, the stopwatch, T2, which is your second time zone, and then if you press it for a third time, you are going to arrive in your home screen where we have T1, so our main time zone. In this position, what you want to do is to press and hold the set button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and as you can see, the seconds are flickering, they are flashing. This means that if I press the start or stop button, they are going to reset to 0. So when it comes to seconds, we can only reset them to 0. If I press the mode button, I'm going to toggle through the seconds, the hours, the minutes, and also we can set the date. So if I want to set the hours, I can either go one by one, or I can press and hold in order to speed scroll. If you press the Indiglo buttons, it won't activate anything. So we only can go forward, you can go one by one, or press and hold in order to speed scroll, just like that. Then if I press the mode button once again, I can adjust the minutes, once again one by one, or press and hold in order to speed scroll. So as you can see, I left it at 2 a.m. and let's make it 2:50, so 2:50 in the morning. Then if I press the mode button once again, we can also set the year. The year will go up to 2099, and you need to set the year, the day of the month, and also the month, and the day of the week will automatically be calculated since it has memorized the entire calendar up to 2099 within the watch. So if you go past your year, you need to go past 2099 in order to arrive once again at your desired year. Let's see that as well. As you can see, it will start all over from 2000. Let's make it 2027. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. The first one is going to be the month, and you can always check on these digital watches by going past 12. And that way you will know whether you are setting the month or the day of the month. So let's make it March and the 5th of March, just like that. If I press the mode button once again, I'm going to cycle back to the beginning where I can reset the seconds to 0. So if you made a mistake, you can go and you can correct it. So let's say I want to make it 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. so 1551. And I can also change something at the year or date. In order to finalize the process, so to save all the settings, we are going to press the set button once again, and as you can see, everything has been saved. We have our time, our day of the week, so it is the 5th and it is Friday, and if I press the start stop button, I will be able to display the full date. So as you can see, the 5th of March, and it is 2027. So guys, that is how you set the time and date on your Timex sports watch, the 1440 model. As I mentioned, it is going to work for the ladies model as well. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. If you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.